Hello there. In this video, I am going to tell you that how to make birthday certificate, invitation certificate, birthday invitation certificate. How I make in MS Word. So if you are new on this channel, so kindly subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos update. Okay, so let's start. First of all, you should have a Microsoft Word software app in your computer or laptop. Okay, so first we will open and select here some shape that is long bit. Okay, thin or thick as you want. So let's see how I make certificate. See here, left hand side, right hand side, I have add two lines long and bottom upper side line. Okay, you can see here it is not very difficult but not easy. This is the mindset, how you use function, how is your knowledge about Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is very easy, but you should be trained here from experts that how to use MS Word, MS Excel and computer typing etc. You should know about functions of the Microsoft formulas etc. So let's see how I make. So, hi viewers, you know that I have been created birthday invitation certificate. I have added many certificates, colors, background colors, two colors I have added. I have made on top side of the two stars, left hand side, right hand side, and center. I have written birthday invitation card, and below I have a circle, and right here it is requested that the birthday ceremony, okay, so on. So on, this is the dashboard. You have add dates, okay, colors. So I hope that you would like my video, and I hope that you will subscribe and share and like this video. If I have you if you have any doubt, so you can ask any question in comment bar. So see you on the next video, and you always be live happy. I wish you all the best. Bye bye. See you on the next video. Goodbye.